How to say eat well in Urdu? Eat well in Urdu. How to say eat well in Urdu? It is very simple. You can say to your child if you want to say in Urdu. So watch this video till end if you want to say how to say eat well in Urdu. Eat well. अच्छी तरह खाओ. अच्छी तरह खाओ. अच्छी तरह खाओ. ACHI अच्छी. तरह TARHA तरह. खाओ KHAO खाओ. अच्छी तरह खाओ. अच्छी तरह खाओ. So before you go, please like this video and tell me how am I teaching. Show me your feedback, and before you go, please share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz, take care, bye.